All right, guys. We're here at 8:35, the usual now. And past 2 days we haven't made that much progress with the balance. So 282, but I'd rather take that than past 2 days we're down like 1K. That's still like this is definitely way better. If we can even just stay at the same, you know what I'm saying? That would be better than losing money. Or like, if we can just like inch our way forward, eventually we'll be able to pass the eval. But today is the second to last day, I think. So April ends tomorrow, and then Friday will be May 1st. So I mean, all of this week might be pretty slow, because even though Fridays and even the beginning of the first day of the month, I think is kind of slow, and then also it's a Friday, so I think sometime next week, like next week, should be pretty good. I'll be down to follow this directional trade, and I guess let's do it. Nice. Let me see if my MacBook's charging. Yeah, I'm at like 4%. I forgot to charge it. I would still follow the directional, but like, I think it's too wicky. I could see us do some pullbacks now. So, I mean, I already took that one trade. I don't want to give it back. Get the money back that I just made. So let's just wait for like a new opportunity. Maybe we'll start going consolidation, or we'll just see. I'm about to drink some water. Hold up. All right. Wait, I'm gonna do another chart. I have to just like every time. Now, if you guys wondering why I'm doing this, I think you guys know if you saw the other videos, but it's just always this on the data box I have the ATR and it doesn't show up for some reason. But if I just set the new chart, man, it's still not showing up. Wait, hold on. It's my battery still. I'm like it's like lagging. See, there you go. Yeah, see that ATR on the top of the data box? See that'll just help. I don't think I really even like use it like that, but I don't know. Sometimes I'll want to take a look. I only did that because with this entry, that it felt like the brackets are kind of small. Maybe I'll look at the next candle. I don't know if. I was gonna say this could be another breakout. More directional flow. Yeah, I could tell the battery's taking a hit. I don't know if you guys see the lag of just like, look at this when I'm moving the cursor. I have like 20 tabs open. I never close any of my tabs, so that's probably what it is too. But as long as charges in, I think it should be fine. Is this consolidation? Should I short? Let's do it. It's just too. The entry's not too great though. My take profit's like too far down in my opinion. That was like barely any money. I think I don't even know. Maybe 100 or something. I wanted to do that because well, like see, ideal situation would have been I entered stop loss is like above here, top of this wick or somewhere there, and then take profit would be like within this body of the candle, but the take profit was below the wick, and then I mean maybe I could have kept it because like it just went down here, but I didn't want to. That's kind of a risky consolidation trade because I like to keep the take profit within the body of the candle, stop loss out of the like the wicks or maybe at the top of the wick, bottom of the wick, wherever I'm going. And the direction is completely opposite where I target like anything new just like outside of the wicks, I guess. Like it would be somewhere here. Then the stop loss would be within the body of the last candle or something. This could be consolidation, but let me just wait. We're making moves now. I'm just hesitant a little bit to trade. I mean, I could see both. I could see us go both ways. Yeah, I could see us maybe start going up or something. Maybe we'll get down here and then I could take the long up again. Either that or maybe it'll start being directional as well. Let's just take the long. Follow consolidation maybe. This is a pretty good entry. Nice. I actually would have been fine with maybe moving the take profit a little bit higher. Cause this is like the three candle bodies. Like I could maybe put the take profit somewhere around here, but could maybe long again. Just following consolidation. The only thing is take profit's like right above the body. See, you guys just saw how I kind of like wicked it. Dang. Okay. I think I can see us get stopped out. Maybe yeah, we got stopped. Yeah, that was. I saw it. I should have maybe moved my take profit. I was thinking about it, but that was kind of unlucky. But you see, this is why I like it like within the body of the candle because I would have hit if we did that. That was like the top of the thing, the wick, and I think that's why we kind of lost that trade. So that's a bit annoying to lose like that. Say we're making some moves down. Maybe I'll wait. Okay, I was gonna say if this is directional, maybe I'll wait for like a bearish candle, maybe a little bit more volatile one, and then we'll see how the next candle forms or something. I'll take the directional trade. Yeah, I think we get started on that. I was gonna say it was a bit like directional trade was a bit out of the blue, unless we start going now. But I say that because we were just consolidating, and then now I'm like trying to go directional. But so we're up like one trade, I think, like 228 to like up like 100, 130 or something. So I gave back some of the money that I made so far. Hey, Bing moves up. Maybe I'll follow the direction. I'm about to get wicked out again. Ugh, dang. Oh, that was a big loss too. That was below the 228. Okay, that was a bit of an eager trade. I think because I just saw the big candle, I didn't really like follow some. Like I could see us. We're still consolidating, so I'm trying to catch these directionals when we're very well. Just we've just been in this range for the longest. I don't know. I'm doing that. I think I wish I entered a bit earlier. Just stop right there. Take profit. Man, I've been getting stopped out like crazy. We're below 50K now. Oh wow. So I've just gave back like both the profits we made on Monday and Tuesday. Oh yeah, I think I'm entering trade way too quick. I was being a bit more patient beginning, caught like the first three wins. Now it's just like oh, that's annoying too, cause literally it's going down too. It just got up, wicked me out, and now we're making moves. But I think if you just follow consolidation, right, we'll be okay. Just don't know if this is a long entry. I guess I'll see. Nice. Okay. If you stay within this range, then we can just go back and forth a bit. This charger is not even charging my MacBook. This is not the official charger I'm using. I'm just using some random one that I found. Because I lost like my actual MacBook charger. I could enter short here. Oh wow. I get stopped out I think right away. I should have waited for bearish candles. I'm like top ticking, and now that I'm realizing this is still bullish. But so I was just looking, I'm like, okay, we're at the top of this range, so maybe we'll just do the same thing. But just predicting. I'm predicting. I'm not going off of what's already happening or off the edge or all that. I'm really glad that played out, but the better trade would have been waiting for this candle to fully close and then this new one to form. So now we're back, because I think it was 280. We're just back from basically break even of today. Today's a bit like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm trading a little agitated. The price action, because I think it's giving me opportunities, but it's also like not the best opportunities. Like before the last 2 days, I feel like the opportunities were just really bad, especially yesterday, I think. Or I don't know what day it was. one day where I was looking, I was like, "Man, this is terrible." But I think it was probably both days. But there's like opportunities today, but they're not like good opportunities. But I just see them because we're getting moves like some moves here. We're flying now. Maybe I'll catch the directional. Uh, it's a really bearish candle. All right, that's fine. Thing is, I mean, see, I'm trying to catch. I think I just gotta like on days like these. I'm thinking about it. I think like a good strategy to implement, like where I know it's gonna be slow, like these slower days, or maybe if I could just see like the volatility, like how fast these candles are moving, forming, like how much consolidation we've already had. Like I think I should just throw out directional trades. Like at least maybe not throw them out completely, but just like not really try to like be cautious and like be like very A plus setups on those, and just kind of wait for consolidation because I think these consolidations would be really easy to do. Because I think all these trades that I've been losing, like almost like most of them have just been like me trying to catch directional. This could be directional or consolidation, but maybe I'll wait for us to get up here and then short that. Feels like the safer trade. Unless we do like one bullish candle and then the next one's bullish too. Or it was just like the neutral, like we didn't even move. See, that's how you know it's a slow day. Usually you don't see those on market opens like New York session. But I know if you trade like looking at Asian London or something like that, like you'll see a lot of those gray candles, which means like this candle didn't even like move, like price action didn't even move from it. You see it's like the same spot. Let's say you know it's like those days are gonna be pretty bad. I think I'm fine with entering here actually. Am I fine with entering here? I don't know. Yeah, this is a bad entry because I literally just said there's like no movement. All right, I guess we just caught the volatility, so that's good. I'm glad about that. All right, really just right at break even. I'm actually like, I'm not even gonna lie. I think I would be down to just not trade. I might just enter right here because I don't see price maybe getting that better. And if anything, like, I don't know. I mean, we're in this consolidation range. Maybe I'll take like one more. If you start making some moves, like, I think we're going to start making some moves. If we can start going to new ranges and doing some other stuff, yeah, I don't know. I don't want to enter on this. Just how these directional trades, they just haven't been moving that much. There's going to be some type of one pullback. But if it's consolidation, I might enter on this, actually. Let's just enter on that. I'm not going to move it. We'll just see. This will probably be my last trade, so do we get stopped out? All right. Maybe I was saying before how I probably wouldn't want to enter, but I was gonna say if it's gonna be consolidation. Thing is, I gotta wait for more direction. Maybe I should just wait for one more candle. Like I'm being really impatient on a day that's like super slow. Like it doesn't make sense. I feel like it's easier to be patient maybe like on these days that are slow because you get a lot of time. Like I could have definitely waited here, and if you had another bearish candle, then maybe entered on that. But I thought this would be a good entry. It'd be like up here protected. Take profit would only be like in the body as well. That um But yeah, I don't know. I think tomorrow's even gonna be like pretty bad. I might, well, I'll probably still be on tomorrow. But and then Friday might be decent if it's the new month, but it's also Friday. And then we'll see how it plays out. Starting next week. But even though we didn't become profitable on the day, The week we're still up, even though it's not that much. It's 105. So that's like kind of like the over rating result. Like I think at the end of Friday, if I'm still above 50K, that'll just be good. Good note, like good progress, even though it's not that much. But yeah, I think next week hopefully we'll be able to make some big moves because on that demo, I mean, I was doing the same wrist size, same trading style, whatnot, and I was able to basically have enough to pass the funded itself. I ended up giving it back before I like hit 3K exactly, but that was just because I was like over trading, kind of on purpose because I just wanted to like show that I could you know maybe hit that profit target like in that day. Like I wanted to do it right before the weekend or all that stuff, but on a real XFA, I wouldn't like try to get those like emotions or type of trading get to me. But yeah, so we'll just maybe hop on tomorrow, be a little bit more patient because I actually ended up taking a lot of trades, especially here. I think I was like just taking too many trades that just weren't good because I was making some decent money. I was making some good profits, like taking smarter trades. Started like trying to find directional like breakouts, like then entering just back and forth. Like I'm like, okay, if it's not going that way, it's probably gonna go the other way. So let me just reverse my like enter that way, and it's just a lot. It's kind of a mess today, but yeah, it wasn't bad. Um, yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see how trading goes tomorrow, and yeah, hopefully markets will be better. But all right, see you guys.